In this video, I'm breaking down the real deal on how to keep your home renovation costs from going through the roof, especially when it comes to those annoying design changes and upgrades that sneak up on you. So here's the thing. If you're starting a remodel or a big home project, locking in your design plans before anything else is key. Like, once you start tearing down walls or buying materials, changing your mind can seriously blow up your budget. I always tell people to set a clear budget for any upgrades or fancy finishes before work even begins, because once you're in the middle of the project, adding premium stuff can feel like a money black hole. Prioritize what really matters to you. Maybe it's that new countertop or better flooring, but don't try to upgrade everything at once unless you're ready to pay for it. Also, talk with your contractor about what upgrades fit your budget and what might be overkill. Sometimes, swapping out one material for another that looks just as good but costs less can save you big time. And remember, frequent changes don't just cost more money, happier too. They also slow down the whole project and stress everyone out. So having a game plan and sticking to it makes life easier and your wallet happier. One of the biggest mistakes I see with home projects is people not finalizing their design before starting work. That usually leads to surprise costs and delays because contractors have to reorder materials or redo work. Another common issue is underestimating the cost of premium finishes, like thinking hardwood floors will be cheap when they're actually way pricier than laminate. The fix? Do your homework on prices beforehand and ask your contractor for realistic estimates. Lastly, skipping a clear budget for upgrades is a huge no-no. Without that, it's easy to keep saying yes to just one more thing until your costs spiral out of control. Just be upfront with yourself about what you can afford and stick to it. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking for trusted local contractors who won't mess around with your budget. They make it super easy for homeowners like you to connect with pros who get the job done right the first time. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to find steady work without all the usual hassle of marketing yourself.